all you need to know, the Bloomberg Quint podcast that prepares you for the day's business. Good morning. A lot of you are back from a long holiday. Hope you had a good one, and welcome back. I'm Alex Matthew, and this is the daily morning update from Bloomberg Quint. Today is the 12th of November. The OPEC and its allies started laying the groundwork to cut oil supply in 2019, reversing an almost year-long expansion. Saudi Arabia will export 500,000 fewer barrels a day in December compared with this month, taking the lead in OPEC to counter the price rout that's battering the finances of group members and energy companies alike. While its meeting with other producers on Sunday yielded no change in supply policy, the OPEC warned in a statement that it might need new strategies, raising the prospect of a wider and coordinated cut in 2019. Oil collapsed into a bear market in little more than a month, and pressure is mounting on the group to act sooner than their policy meeting in December. Wildfires north of San Francisco and near Los Angeles have killed at least 23 people, caused record destruction, and forced evacuation of more than 250,000 people. The fires have spread to more than 170,000 acres and threaten to destroy tens of thousands of structures, according to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection. In the week ahead, midweek, Japan reports GDP while China releases figures on retail sales, industrial output and fixed asset investment. Rate decisions from the Bank of Thailand and Philippines are due this week. On Thursday, Australia's labour market report, trade data for Indonesia and India, plus China new home prices are due. But more importantly, for India, watch out for the latest retail inflation and industrial production data that's out later today. Also, RBI Governor Urjit Patel is scheduled to appear before Parliament today amidst recent tense relations with the government. On to news from back home now. We've just learnt of the demise of Union Minister Anant Kumar in the early hours today. He was 59 and undergoing treatment for cancer in Bengaluru. The Reserve Bank of India's board meeting on the 19th of November could well turn out to be a stormy affair. Some members are likely to raise issues concerning the central bank's capital framework, management of surplus and liquidity measures for small businesses. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has shortlisted 7 firms, including Wipro and Larsen & Toubro Infotech, to build a private data storage cloud, automate its inspection of brokers, and enhance analytics capabilities. As many as 357 infrastructure projects, each worth over 150 crore rupees, have shown cost overruns worth more than 3.39 lakh crore rupees. That's according to a report by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Saturday took a dig at the Narendra Modi government, saying that many people knew the cost of the Rafale fighter aircraft deal, but the government considered it a national secret that could not be revealed to the Supreme Court. In international markets, Asian stocks have opened mixed, searching for direction after the slump in equities in the US on Friday. The 3 US averages closed lower, with the S&P 500 and Dow losing 0.9 and 0.8% respectively. The Nasdaq declined 1.6%. It's now over to Darshan Mehta for the trade setup for the day in India. Morning, Darshan. How's it looking this morning for India?
Hi Alex, good morning everyone. The SGX Nifty is currently indicating a negative outlook following what happened with the global peers. Crude also is now trading below the $70 barrel per mark. But we are in the final leg of the earnings season. Coal India and Eicher Motors are the 2 nifty companies that will report numbers today. Among the mid-caps, Aurobindo Pharma, Bank of India, Britannia, Jet Airways, Nalco, NMDC, Oil India, Quick Heal Technologies, UCO Bank and Union Bank will report numbers today. In terms of numbers that came out after market hours and over the weekend, strong numbers were reported from Shobha, Indian Energy Exchange, Wockhardt, IFGL Refractories, while weak numbers were reported from Titan, Shankara, Igarshi Motors, VST Tillers, EID Parry, Goodrick and Fact. In terms of numbers in line with estimates, it was HCG. Tata Motors has said that the JLR October sales is down 4.6%. Orient Press receives the approval from the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board to restart manufacturing at the Tarapur plant, and it gets almost 47% of its gross revenues from this plant. Fax auditors have reported that the company had a net loss of 66.3 crores in the quarter, and the net worth of the company has been fully eroded. Amara Raja Batteries the board of the company has approved a capex of 540 crores towards deployment of advanced stamped grid technology. Premier Explosive receives the arms license from the Arms License Issuance Authority for manufacture of ammunition and compounds at their facility in Telangana. In terms of bulk deals, the promoters of Texmeco Infra have acquired shares in the company, and the promoters of Setco Auto have sold in 15 lakh shares in the company. But there's much more you need to know before trade actually starts. For that, log on to our website bloombergquint.com and click on the All You Need to Know tab, and you'll be prepared for morning trade.
Thank you, Darshan. And thank you all for listening in. This is Alex Matthews signing off. Have a great day.